Hi, this is actually the translation of my Hungarian language introduction to this wireless external camera, Digicam from Vigo Shop. So if the speech is not in sync with my mouth in the left bottom corner, then that is because that's the original Hungarian version. This is just a dubbing. Alright, so we assembled the camera with my brother, as you can see in the website. This is a camera for home safety, which you can connect with your telephone through the internet. So you can speak through the camera as well, and you can observe your courtyard or your house or wherever you assemble the camera. It looks like this. You can see a little antenna at the top of the camera, and it has a speaker and a microphone too. And it a little bit looks like R2D2 from Star Wars, but it's actually waterproof. You can see the dimensions here, and it also has night vision features, so either full color or black and white, and you can rotate the camera as well, horizontally and vertically too. So what are the things you have to connect with an app? So you have to install an app, you have to register also, and you have to pair it with your phone, pair the camera with your mobile phone, and you can also record during the day and at night. There are some testimonies on this website. So in the first part, I check this website. After that, we assemble the camera, and I would also like to show you the app with which this camera is working. Okay, this is my brother on top of a ladder, and he tries to pair the phone. He tries to synchronize it with the camera. We already connected it to electricity and also Wi-Fi connection. This little antenna at the top serves to connect with the Wi-Fi, but you have to sync it as well. So the device is under connection. It's trying to connect. So it's actually in the middle of the rain, so it's pretty much waterproof, but we had to wait for some time. So actually, because there's an extender for the Wi-Fi, so you have to be able to have constant connection for the camera. That's pretty useful, but you can also have an SD card to record with the camera, and you can also rotate it. I even think that there's a cloud surface, but we didn't use that one. But you can check in the house through your mobile phone if you want to check for safety's sake. So how are things going at home? Or just speak also. So it has a mic and a speaker in the package too. So right now you're waiting for the camera to sync with the application, and we had to drill it into the wall. So we received the package and connected it to electricity. Here's the top of the camera. And those are the lights, and the little spots are the microphone, and there's also the camera, the big circle in the center, and the lower rotating part too. And we installed 2 cameras on this occasion. All right, I'm actually telling jokes to my brother at this point because we weren't able to pair it or sync it, but at the end, or in the end, we managed to do it. Just it took a little time, so it's useful to have spotless Wi-Fi connection. All right, at this point we managed to connect it. Now I'm gonna move on to the application. So first you have to register to an application through which you can log into an app, and there you can install the cameras. Actually, I found it pretty useful. By the way, if you are interested in my videos, don't forget to subscribe, or to like or dislike them, or make any comments or ask questions. Okay, so here is the mobile application, actually my mobile. As you can see, there's a YCC365 Plus application in the middle. So that's the camera's application. And I open it. It's already installed, so it's not a detailed tutorial, but here you can see our yard. That's the backyard, and there is some kind of update, which I'm not interested in. And the lower part is the terrace, so the entrance. There are some advertisements too. And you can share the cameras with different people or your family members too. And it's loading, but after a while it becomes faster. Okay, so here's the night vision mode, because the video was made at 9 o'clock in the evening, and you can also rotate or zoom in. And you can also make screenshots. You can see the little photo apparatus on the left, and the arrows are the zooming in, and the mic icon is when you speak. You can mute it also. All right, so that's the other camera. It's loading again, but yeah, and there's a little timestamp as well in the left upper corner, if you see that, with the date. And we set up at a higher spot so we can see everything. It's live. So, and it has a pretty bright light in the evening as well, at night. And it's a sensor, so it lights up if somebody moves. Okay, that would be pretty much the video. I think. Thank you for your attention, and take care. Bye bye.